Illustration number 26. Generalize the followings. 2017 March 1. Mukesh Brothers invested 2 lakh rupees in the business of general stores. Investment in the business, entry for that is cash account debit to capital account. Debit what comes in, credit the giver, cash account debit to capital account. Rupees 2 lakh. Then on March 2nd, paid into current account. You have paid amount into the bank. The entry will be bank account debit to cash account. We have paid rupees 1,20,000 into the bank. If we are depositing anything into the bank, it will increase the bank balance and it will reduce the cash balance. Now 4th March, purchase goods for rupees 60,000, paid 2,000 for carriage on these goods. So we have purchased goods. Whenever we are purchasing goods, the other expenses will be written separately, whereas in case of asset it is always added in the name of asset. Goods we have to treat separately. 60,000 goods we have purchased and 2,000 we have paid for carriage. 62,000 cash we have paid. Next is 6th. Purchase goods for rupees 1 lakh on credit from Raghunath Brothers. Paid 1,200 for carriage on these goods. So now you can pass 2 journal entries for this. Very good question. Purchase goods from Raghunath Brothers. So you can write, because this was the entry of credit, purchase to Raghunath Brothers for rupees 1 lakh. This was the entry which was related to credit, purchase to Raghunath Brothers, and on this same date we have paid something. This was credit and this was cash. Carriage we have paid. Carriage account debit to cash account. Rupees 1,200. On March 10th, purchase machine and spent 100 for its carriage. Now this makes the difference. If you are purchasing assets, everything, all expenses will be added in the name of the asset. We will not write the carriage separately here. We will write with the machine 10,000 and 100. 10,000 and 100. In goods we have to show it separately, but in other assets we have to include in the asset. Payment made to Raghunath Brothers by check after getting 10% discount for prompt payment. We have paid to Raghunath Brothers, from whom we have purchased goods on credit 1 lakh. Now we are paying Raghunath Brothers. Debit the receiver, credit what goes out. To discount we have received. 1 lakh was about to paid and we took a discount of rupees 10,000. Means 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. Now how much we have paid? 90,000. Getting my point? 90,000 we have paid and 10% of 1 lakh, 10,000 we have received as discount. Now after 13, have a look on 16. Date is 16th. Additional capital introduced by the proprietor. Same entry we will pass cash to capital 50,000. Cash account debit to capital account. 17th, spent 25,000 for showcase. Now showcase is a kind of furniture. Showcase Showcase is a kind of furniture. It comes under the category of furniture. Furniture account debit to cash account. 25,000. 20th March. Purchase goods from Ravi for 12,000 and payment made by check. Purchase account debit to bank account. Purchase account debit to bank account. Second last, 22nd March. Sold 1/5 of above goods at 1/3 cost. Profit on cost means 1/3 of above goods we have sold. The entry will be cash to sales because no name is written, so that's why it is not on credit. If name is given, then it is credit. 1/3 of above goods have been sold. 1/5 of 12,000. 1/5 of 12,000 we have to do. 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. 2,400 rupees. Costing, it was the cost of the goods. Now we have sold it for 1/3 profit. I already told 33 and 1/3% is always equal to what? 3 into 33, 99 plus 1, 100 upon में 3 and this percentage 300, 0 से 0 cancel, then 1/3 percentage means 1/3 profit is 2,400 and 1/3 of 2,400 is 800. Total we have sold for 3,200. 2,400 cost and 800 profit. Cost plus profit is equal to the sale price. 28th March. Bank charges forex services. Bank have charged. This is a very important entry. Debit all expenses and losses. Bank charges account debit to bank account. They will debit our bank balance. They will deduct from the bank balance. 200. Debit all expenses and losses. Credit what goes out. Bank charges account debit to bank account.